Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about filter pump for Pitco Part #PP10417. The filter pump for Pitco Part #PP10417 is a replacement part for Pitco deep fryers. It is designed to filter out any impurities from the cooking oil, ensuring that the food cooked in the fryer is clean and free of contaminants. The pump has a stainless steel housing and a built-in strainer basket to catch any particles that may be present in the oil. The pump also features an adjustable flow rate, allowing you to adjust the amount of oil being filtered at any given time. The pump also has an easy-to-read pressure gauge, so you can monitor the pressure. This part fixes the following symptoms. The pump filter for Pitco Part #PP10417 is designed to replace the existing filter pump on a Pitco fryer. It helps to reduce the amount of sediment and debris that can build up in the fryer oil, which can cause clogging and reduce the efficiency of the fryer. It also helps to extend the life of the oil by reducing oxidation and preventing oil breakdown. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by assembling the filter pump components. Start by attaching the pump head to the filter bowl using the provided bolts and nuts. Make sure to tighten all connections securely. 2. Next, attach the inlet and outlet hoses to the pump head using the provided clamps. Make sure to tighten all connections securely. 3. Place the filter bowl onto a flat surface and attach it to the wall or floor using the provided mounting hardware. Make sure to tighten all connections securely. 4. Connect one end of the power cord to an electrical outlet and then con. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.